October 14th, about 4 o'clock, Sunday, 10 to 4. I'll leave the recorder here, come back and get it in an hour or so. I'm leaving the recorder. If you don't want to come by, don't come by. If you want to come by and make some noise, that's fine. Okay, I'm leaving.